Hello, everyone! Welcome to Flowspace 101 Vocabulary Flow. Today we are learning Blue Level Unit 6. We will study 12 new vocabulary words. The words are accomplish, apparent, capacity, civilian, conceal, duplicate, keen, provoke, spurt, undoing, vast, and withdraw. Let's read, think, and grow together. Let's get started. Our first word is accomplish. Say it with me, accomplish. Accomplish is a verb. It means to do something successfully, to make something happen, or to carry something through. For example, let's work together to accomplish the task. Another example is, she worked hard to accomplish her goal. Some synonyms are perform, fulfill, achieve, and complete. Some antonyms are fail, undo, and fall short. What is one goal you want to accomplish this week? Our next word is apparent. Say it with me, apparent. Apparent is an adjective. It means open to view, easy to understand, or seeming to be true or real. For example, speeding was the apparent cause of the accident. Another example is, her excitement was apparent to everyone. Some synonyms are clear, obvious, visible, plain, and likely. Some antonyms are hidden, concealed, difficult, and uncertain. What clues can make something apparent? Our next word is capacity. Say it with me, capacity. Capacity is a noun. It means the amount of space that can be filled. It can also mean ability, skill, office, or role. For example, the stadium was filled to capacity for the championship game. Another example is, she has the capacity to become a great leader. Some synonyms are volume, size, room, ability, position, and role. Some antonyms are inability, weakness, and emptiness. How could you figure out the capacity of your backpack? Our next word is civilian. Say it with me, civilian. Civilian can be a noun and an adjective. As a noun, civilian means a person who is not in the military, police, or firefighting force. As an adjective, civilian means non-military. For example, a team of civilians investigated the accident. Another example is, no civilian casualties were reported. One synonym is non-military. One antonym is military. What jobs do civilians do in a community? Our next word is conceal. Say it with me, conceal. Conceal is a verb. It means to hide, to keep secret, or to place out of sight. For example, I tried to conceal my disappointment with a smile. Another example is, the rabbit concealed itself in the grass. Some synonyms are cover, disguise, mask, and tuck away. Some antonyms are uncover, open, reveal, and show. Why do people sometimes try to conceal their feelings? Our next word is duplicate. Say it with me, duplicate. Duplicate can be a verb, adjective, and noun. As a verb, duplicate means to copy exactly. As an adjective, it means exactly like something else. As a noun, it means an exact copy. For example, a locksmith can duplicate almost any key. Another example is, he hung up a framed duplicate of a famous painting. Some synonyms are reproduce, clone, identical, reproduction, and replica. One antonym is original. When is it helpful to have a duplicate of something? Our next word is keen. Say it with me, keen. Keen is an adjective. It can mean having a sharpened edge. It can also mean quick and sharp in thought, sight, hearing, or smell. It can also mean eager. For example, birds of prey have keen eyesight. Another example is, she has a keen interest in science. Some synonyms are razor-edged, acute, alert, and ready. Some antonyms are dull, blunt, lazy, and unwilling. Which animal has keen hearing or keen eyesight? Our next word is provoke. Say it with me, provoke. Provoke is a verb. It means to annoy or make angry. It can also mean to stir up or to do something in order to get a response. For example, name-calling can provoke an argument. Another example is, loud teasing may provoke a reaction. Some synonyms are excite, enrage, madden, and goad. Some antonyms are calm, soothe, pacify, and quiet. Why should we be careful not to provoke others? Our next word is spurt. Say it with me, spurt. Spurt can be a verb and a noun. As a verb, spurt means to shoot out quickly in a stream or to show a burst of energy. As a noun, spurt means a sudden short stream of fluid or a quick burst of activity. For example, the runner began to spurt toward the finish line. Another example is ketchup came out in a spurt. Some synonyms are squirt, gush, flow, jet, and surge. Some antonyms are trickle, drip slowly, and crawl. When do athletes show a spurt of energy? Our next word is undoing. Say it with me, undoing. Undoing is a noun. It means a bringing to ruin or destruction. It can also mean the cause of ruin, or unfastening and loosening. For example, idle gossip was the cause of their undoing. Another example is, the undoing of the knot took only a second. Some synonyms are downfall, misfortune, trouble, and opening. Some antonyms are good luck, fortune, success, and fastening. What can become a team's undoing? Our next word is vast. Say it with me, vast. Vast is an adjective. It means very great or very large. For example, a vast ocean stretched into the distance. Another example is, the desert is vast and dry. Some synonyms are huge, enormous, and spacious. Some antonyms are tiny, small, little, and narrow. What is something vast in nature? Our last word is withdraw. Say it with me, withdraw. Withdraw is a verb. It means to pull out or remove. It can also mean to move back or away or to retreat. For example, the team decided to withdraw from the race. Another example is, please withdraw your hand from the cage. Some synonyms are subtract, leave, depart, and retreat. Some antonyms are deposit, enter, and attack. Why might a person withdraw from a contest? Great job today! You learned 12 new vocabulary words in Blue Level Unit 6. Let's read them one more time. Accomplish, apparent, capacity. Civilian, conceal, duplicate, keen, provoke, spurt, undoing, vast, and withdraw. Keep practicing these words. Use them in your own sentences to remember them better. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next unit. Bye.